Hi, I'm Anne from the Stitch Mill. Today I'm going to show you how to get started on your cross stitch project. I'm going to use the botany kit to demonstrate. It looks like this when you're done. You're going to need your cross stitch pattern, Aida cloth, which is a special fabric for cross stitching, an embroidery hoop, embroidery floss, and a tapestry needle. And like really any pair of scissors. Really any pair, even this tiny pair. First, put your Aida in the hoop. I like to trim the corners off so they don't get in the way when I'm stitching. Before we start, let's look at the pattern. You can really start anywhere, as long as there is space for the rest of the pattern. I'm going to start here with floss number 535. I know to use that color because of the key on the pattern. Next, you need to thread your needle. Embroidery floss is made of 6 strands. Take one out and push it through the needle. Bring your needle to the middle of the floss strand, fold it over. Now you've got 2 strands that are ready for stitching. Each symbol represents one cross stitch. I see 6 of them here in this row. Okay, let's start stitching. The planter I chose to start is about right here. Make your first half stitch working from the bottom right corner of the square to the top left. After one half stitch, tie off your loose end in the back by tucking it under the loop. When you finish your 6 half stitches, head back the way you came and make 6 more half stitches that slant the other way. Now they look like little X's. It's that simple, just count and stitch. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this helpful. There's a link below for the botany kit. Happy stitching!